Hey guys, this is Sam from GHLSaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get access to your premium version of GHL Code Snippet library. Okay, so once you logged into your dashboard, okay, you will automatically redirect to this community. Okay, so on this community you will get update. You can write your feedback, and if you have the code snippet request, you can get all those here. Okay, and to get access to your premium version of GHL Code Snippet from this dashboard, all you just need to click this dot sign, okay, this dot icon here at the very right top section. Okay, you can see here. Once you click on it, you will see three options: communities, courses, and affiliates. Okay, so just click on courses, and then you will find the both version of GHL Code Snippet, the premium and free version. Okay, so the free version is very basic and with the limited code snippet access. Okay, so you just need to click your pro version here. Okay, once you click, and then you will see all the available code snippet here. Okay, everything, all the training codes, the tools we provide. And also the good news is you will also get access to newly added code snippet and the updated version of the existing code snippets automatically, so you don't need to do anything for that. Okay, so that's it, how you can access to your GHL code snippet premium version. Okay, and from here you can also get back to the communities again. Okay, actually some people just getting problem to access to the premium version because they are trying from here. Okay, the learning tab. So actually if you are using GoHighLevel, then you know that GoHighLevel still now don't have the feature to add the premium course here. Okay, you can only add the free version of your course or the training into the learning tab on the community. Okay, there is the limitation of GoHighLevel, and that's why you will not see the GHL Code Snippet premium version here once you join. Okay, once you come to this tab. Okay, so that's why you need to click here. Okay, and then you will need to click courses. You will find all the courses that you have. Okay, so in this case you have two version. Okay, the basic version and the unlimited pro version. So to access the pro version, all you just need to click here. That's it for this video. Hope you get this helpful. If you still have problem to get access to the premium version of your GHL Code Snippets library, then feel free to write us. We will join a one-on-one Zoom call and help you to get access. Thank you.